Morning to everyone. In the previous video, we had completed exercise 2.1 and in the yesterday's video, we had done question number 1 to 4 from exercise 2.2. So dear student, today we are going to continue the exercise 2.2 from chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. Okay, so here is the question number 5. What the question number 5 says? Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differs by 18, what are the numbers? So here, since we have done the question number second, I think in the same way we are going to do here. In that question number 2, it is said sum, SUM sum, that means addition, and here it is talking about differ, that means subtraction will be there. Okay, so here it is said that the two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to consider, let the number be x. Okay, so the ratio will be changes according to the x will be as, since the ratio is 5:3, if we are considering the value, that number will be x, so the ratio will be changes as 5x:3x, isn't it? Then according to question, it is said that if they differ by 18, that means this ratio will be differ by 18, so that will be 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. Clear? Now what you have to do, you have to just solve this equation, nothing more than that you have to do in this equation. Okay, so first of all, what you are going to consider, let the number be x, then the ratio, that is 5:3, will be going to be changed as 5x:3x, isn't it? Then since in the question it is said that if they are differ by 18, then it will be 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. Clear? Now 5x minus 3x will be get subtracted, so answer will be 2x is equals to 2x, you will get the answer is equals to 18. As 5x will be subtracted with 3x, the result will be 2x is equals to 18. We will get. Okay, now x is equals to, this 2 will go in the denominator of 18 and get divided, so it will become 9. So what is the value of x we are getting? The value of x we are getting here 9. Now what is the ratio we are having in the form of what the value we are having in the form of ratio, that is 5x:3x. So we have to substitute the value of x in the ratio, that is 5 into 9 will be equals to how much? 45, isn't it? And 3x is also there, so 3 into 9 will be equals to 27. So this will be the answer. Have you understood that let the two numbers be 5x and 3x? According to the question, 5x minus 3x is equals to 18. 5x minus 3x is equals to, that will be subtracted, so 2x. So x is equals to 18 divided by 2. You will get the required answer as 9. Then this 9, since the value of 9 is x, then 5x is equals to, we will going to do 5x value we are going to put. So 5 into 9 will be 45 and 3 into 9 will be 27. So what is the numbers are? The numbers are 45 and 27. Now question number 6. What the question number 6 we are having here? 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So 3 consecutive integers, student, that means integers which is going on adding. Suppose x is the integer, then consecutive of the integer will be x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, like this it goes on. So here we are going to consider 3 consecutive integers, since here in the question it is given 3 consecutive integers, that's why. Okay, so here we are going to consider the 3 consecutive integer as x. Okay, that will be added with the second consecutive integer, that is x plus 1. That will be again added with the third consecutive integer, that is x plus 2, which is equals to 51 according to the question. So x plus x plus x, that will be equals to 3x. Then 1 plus 2 will be 3 is equals to 51. Now this 3 will be transposed from left hand side to the right hand side. The equation will become 3x is equals to 51 subtracted by 3. This will be, here it is a since plus, while transposing it become minus. So 53 minus 51 minus 3 will be equals to 48 is equals to 3x. Have you understood up to here? Then after, what is the equation we got? 3x is equals to 48. We got the equation. Now this 3 will be goes in the denominator. So 48 will be divided by 3. So what will be the answer? 3 ones are 3 and 3 16s are will be how much? That is 48. So what is the value of x? We are getting 16. Second consecutive integer is x plus 1. So 16 plus 1 will be 17. Third consecutive integer is x plus 2. So 16 plus 2 will be 18. So what are the three consecutive integers? So the three consecutive integers are 16, 17 and 18. These are the three consecutive integers. Next question we are having that the sum of the three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. Here what we have to do is, here it is said that the sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So here the three consecutive, in the above question it is said that the three consecutive additions of a number is 51, like that it is said. That's why we had added the consecutive numbers. Since here consecutive multiples is said and that multiples is of 8, okay, so we are going to find the multiples of 8. So let the consecutive multiples of 8 is how much? X, okay. Then second consecutive multiples of x will be 8 plus x, and third consecutive multiples of x will be x plus 16. How it is? Multiples, that means x plus 1 we are having, that will be multiplied with 8, so it become x plus 8. Then x plus 2, second consecutive multiple, that will be multiplied with how much? Will be 8. Since it is talking about the multiples of 8, that's why, so it become x plus 16 in this way, okay. Now add the consecutive multiples, that is x plus 8 plus x plus 16. So x plus x plus x, that will be 3x, isn't it? Then 8 plus 16 will be 24. So what is the equation we are getting? 3x plus 24 is equals to 888. Now this constant term will be going to transpose and it will be get subtracted with the number 888. Clear? When it will be get subtracted, you will get the required answer as 3x is equals to 864. Now 864 will be going to be divided by 3. So you will get the required answer as 288 as the value of x. Since this is the first consecutive integer, then second consecutive integer we are having as x plus 8. So 288 will be added with 8. Then that will be answer will be 296, and the third consecutive multiples is x plus 16. So 288 will be added with 16. So that you will get the answer as 304. Hence the three consecutive multiples answer we will get as 288. Second is 296 and third is 304. Clear? Next question we are having question number 8. In this question what is said that three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and the multiples by 2, 3, 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find the numbers. So here three consecutive integers, that means x comma x plus 1 comma x plus 2. Sorry, these are the three consecutive integer. Okay, then this three consecutive integers is going to be add up to 74. So that will be added up to 74. And also one more thing, it is said that this all the three consecutive, this is the first consecutive integer, second consecutive integer, and this is the third consecutive integer. This consecutive integer is multiplied by 2. First consecutive integer is multiplied by 2. Okay, second consecutive integer will multiplied by 3 and third consecutive integer will multiplied by 4. So when first consecutive integer is going to be multiplied with 2, here it is said in the questions, that's why we are going to multiply. So it become 2x. Now second consecutive integer is this, which we are going to multiply it with 3. So it become how much? 3x plus 3. It will be multiplied inside the bracket by both the number. Then third consecutive integer is x plus 2, which will be multiplied with 4. So the 4 will be got multiplied with x and 2 both. So it become 4x plus 8. So have you understood from where this numbers comes? From the question itself. When we are going to multiply the three consecutive integers with 2, 3 and 4, we will get the required answer as 2x plus 3x plus 3 plus 4x plus 8 is equals to 74. Now the term x we are going to add. So 3 plus 2, 3x plus 2x will be 5x, 5x plus 4x will be 9x. Then 8 plus 3 will be 11. So the equation will become 9x plus 11 is equals to 74. Okay. Now 9x plus 11 is equals to 74. Transpose this 11 from left hand side to the right hand side. It will be become minus 11 subtracted with 74. So 9x is equals to 63 when this number is going to be subtracted. Okay. Now x is equals to 63 divided by 9. This 9 will comes in the denominator of 63 as we have to find the value of x. So 9 ones are 9 and 9 sevens are 63. Okay. So what the value of x we got over here? That is x is equals to 7 we got. Okay. So what is the first consecutive integer? X is equals to 7. Second consecutive integer is x plus 1. So 7 plus 1 is 8. And third consecutive integer is x plus 2. That is 7 plus 2 will be 9. Clear? Now let's see the ninth question. What the ninth question says here. The age of Rahul and Harun's are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56 years. What are their present age? Here, the age of Harun's and Rahul is given in the ratio 5:7. Two persons are there. Their name is Rahul and Harun. And their age is given in the form of ratio as 5:7. Okay. So, if we are going to consider, let the age be x. So, the ratio of their ages will become 5x plus 7x is 2, not plus, it will be is 2. Okay. So, their ratios of the age will become, if the present age we will consider as x. Okay. So the ratios of their age will become 5x is to 7x, isn't it? Then after, according to the question, it is said that 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 4 years later, 4 year 4 साल बाद, the sum of their ages will be 56. Since their present age we will consider as x, so ratio 5x is to 7x it will be become. Then according to the question, 4 years later, that means 5x plus 4 is to 7x plus 4. Okay. So their ages will becomes equals to 56. Have you understood this equation from where it comes? Since the ratio is 5:7, the present age we will consider as x. So the age of Rahul and Harun's will, the ratios will become 5x into 5x and 7x year. Since the question it is said that 4 years later the sum of their ages will be 56. So 5x plus 4 plus, sum said na, that's why here plus comes. So 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 is equals to 56 it becomes. Now we have to solve this equation. While solving this equation, what we will get? 5x plus 7x, it will become 12x. Then 4 plus 4 will become 8 is equals to 56. Now 12x is equals to 56 will be subtracted with 8. Okay, so 12x is equals to 48 and x is equals to 48 divided by 12. So 12 ones are and 12 fours are is 48. So x is equals to 48 we will get the value. Since Rahul's age is how much in the form of ratio is 5x. So 5 into 4 will be 20 years. So Rahul's age will be 20 years and Harun's age in the ratio it is given as 7x. So 7 into 4 is equals to 28 years. Hence Harun's and Rahul's age will be given we had find it. Therefore, the present age of Rahul will be 20 years and present age of Harun's will be 28 years. Clear everyone? Now look the 10th question. What is given in the 10th question? The number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 5:7. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. How many more than number of girls is 8. Number of boys are 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the total strength? So let the total strength we will consider as x. Okay. According to the question, we will consider the total strength. Let the total strength be x. Okay. And in the question it is said that the number of boys is 8 more than girls. So if the number of girls is x, then the number of boys will be, obviously according to the question, it will be x plus 8. Okay. Then after that we will going to find as, according to the question, since the ratios is given, number of boys, isn't it, boys upon girls, ratio is given as 5:, boys is to girls ratio is given as 7:5. This is the ratio is given. Boys number is x plus 8. Okay, and girls number is x. So that's why according to the ratio, the equation will become like this, student. Boys is to girls is equals to, ratio is 7:5. Boys, number of boys is x plus 8 is to number of girls is x is equals to 7:5. Now what is proportion? According to the proportion, it become x plus proportion. Do you remember last year you had studied that only? A is to B is equals to B is to C. That means A upon B is equals to B upon C. Like that we had studied, isn't it? So x plus 8 upon x is equals to 7 upon 5. Now have you understood from the where this equations comes? This we had applied the proportion, that's why. Now after this, cross multiply. 5 into x plus 8 is equals to 7x. Okay, here it becomes 5x plus 5 8 is 40 is equals to 7x. Clear? Now 40 is equals to 7x minus 5x. So 7x minus 5x, it becomes 40 is equals to plus 2x. Now 40 will be divided by 2, so it becomes 20 is equals to x. Don't get confused in this minus. Since my 7 is since this 7 from the right hand side goes to the left hand side, that's why it become minus. If you are going to take 5x from the left hand side to the right hand side, you will not get confused. Answer directly will come in the positive. So better to do like this way, which I had solved on the right side of the screen. Okay, so the answer will come as x is equals to 20, as the number of girls is 20. So number of boys is x plus 8, that is 20 plus 8 will be 28 as the number of boys. Clear everyone? Now next question, question number 11 we are having. Here in this question it is, Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung's. The sum of age of all these three is 135 years. What is the age of one of them? Here we are going to talk about Baichung is a person whose father's age as well as grandfather's age and his age. Okay, we have to find out. So we are going to first consider Baichung's age as x year. His father's age will be given as, in the question it is given, Baichung's father's age is 26 year younger than Baichung's. That means if Baichung's age is x, then his father's age will be x plus 29 years older than the Baichung's. Then about grandfather's age will be granddaughter's it is written, but in the student we have to write grandfather. Okay, here please make the correction. Here it is written granddaughter, but in place of daughter it will become grandfather. Clear everyone? So let Baichung's age be x years, then Baichung's father's age will be x plus 29 years, and Baichung's grandfather's age will be x plus 29 plus 26. Okay, why 29 plus 26? Because Baichung's is 26-year younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29-year older than his father. So that's why we had added 29 plus 26. 29 plus 26. So 29 plus 26 is, it will be how much? 55. And sum of all the three ages is given in the question as 35. That's why equation will become x plus, x is the Baichung's age, x plus 29 is the father's age, and his grandfather's age is x plus 55 is equals to 135. So we have to solve this age. This x is the Baichung's age, x plus 29 is the age of Baichung's father, and x plus 55 is the age of his grandfather. Okay, now add it, x plus x plus x, it will become 3x, then 29 plus 59, it will become 84 is equals to 135. When you are going to subtract 135 with 84, you will get the required answer as 51. Then after this 51 will be divided by 3. So x is equals to 51 divided by 3. So x is equals to 17 years. So what is Baichung's age is? Baichung's age is 17 years. Baichung's father's age is how much? X plus 29, isn't it? So 17 plus 29, you will get the answer as 46, and his Baichung's grandfather's age will be x plus 29 plus 26. So 17 plus 29 plus 26 will be 72. So here we had completed question number 11. Hope you people understood. Okay, so dear student, tomorrow we are going to see question number 12 and rest other. Okay, so for today, thank you everyone.